down here. It did connect a couple times and then it quit. That was strange. It got real quiet out here. I couldn't even hear one bird chirp. And my phone started shutting down and starting up and shutting down and starting up. And I said, well, I might as well leave from here. And I got my car and cranked my car up and moved about 20 feet and was ready to leave, and my phone started back up. And now it's staying on. I don't know what's going on with it. My battery's at 82%. It was fully charged 5 minutes ago. Oh well. Gosh, it's quiet in here. I don't know if I got to go on YouTube or not. It said it was connected, that I was live for a couple minutes. I don't know. I'm back on out of here, I guess. Not one person in this campground. The other campground was like 90% full. It's about 5 miles from here, closer to the lake. But I don't know. Gosh, it's quiet in here. I don't even hear a bird. I haven't heard a bird since I've been here 10 minutes. Haven't heard one bird. That's unusual. Very unusual. Not even hear one bird. Let me hit the mirror for a little bit there. I like to film in my mirror. I'm gonna go another place. 88 degrees here in the campground. It's 92 degrees out there on the highway when you come out of the campground. Oh, butterfly just flew by. I went to my spot where I could go find a print. There's too many cars there. Golly, something's tore this outhouse up. It wasn't like this a couple weeks ago when I was here. Look at the wood coming off. It wasn't like that. The bottom was like that, but where the bottom is, but the siding wasn't pulling off. No telling. Strange brew. Whoop! 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 Boy, that echoes out across that mountain. I'd love to get a whoop back. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. I gotta get me a nice knocker. Find me a little baseball bat, a little like a souvenir bat or something. I need to get one, put it in my backpack. I used to have one. Last time I remembered I had a little souvenir baseball bat. It was just a little, you know what I'm talking about. You get it at baseball games sometimes. And been perfect knocker. And I couldn't find it.